How to create a sprint in Notion. In this video, I will explain you each and everything. Right now, you can see in the screen, I'm into my sprint account and I will show you how you can, right now I'm into my Notion account and I will show you how you to create a sprint. So first of all, you have to see on the left side top corner, you will see a menu bar here. And once you are here, you will see a template option. So just click on the template, right? So you will not able to find a sprint option if you have selected school. So just click on it and the drop down, just select work, right? And once I select here work, you will able to see here two option, projects and task, project, task and sprint. By the way, you will able to find the sprint from the first option too, but I will like to create here on the second option. Once I click here, you can see the template is available right now. So I can use, for example, you can see the sprint current. So you have to select this one, and here I have to select first of all one of the template here. So just to show you an example, I'll just select this one. I'll just click on get template. Once I'm here, right, you can see, by the way, I can this is my sprint template here, and I can just create my new task here. And once the task is done, for example, you can just set task each and everything for the day, for the sprint, and for the everything. And you can just add a description. If you're using Notion for a very quite long period of time, you would know that. Then you will able to use a sprint very easily. I hope you found this video very useful.